Okay, so back again with another discussion about the Bible. Biblical contradictions. Here's one for you. The cutting and maiming and mutilation and sacrifice of animals. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a trait of sex offenders. So who's been teaching people to do this? Noah's Ark. How did the story of a gigantic ship even get into the Bible? Noah is Navy, ONI, Office of Naval Intelligence. Folks, this is a deception from pagans. Right? This is a homosexual, Masonic, pedophilia deception. That will ultimately lead you into horrific atrocities, right? Extremist radicalism. And your death, your family's death, and countless other people's deaths. Again, this is a Navy deception that has been around for ages.